UMP Raja Sabha Ujem Sangma hawalai sakhi kam ukongsan ya kasngi pengkut kachat nyambe dingklam araja arpaun ru kasin right mukla ne kasngi dew emlang menteri kachnat icha ikhia o wailan miki shalla waman lew MLA kathan chirup wagi sahab sarkar kikhle ya khmat niam wagi sen right waper dapen singau isngango weyero yaki pai kasen right mukla kamjuk ki wachong chnong marjan hajrong iman job kani ke beding klam wa iye yong ki upenne pensa ya kariti dustur wei ongule kani to langba ia krek chitom dei lang ke imlang salang hawakor unwanu cha kador khat wada ekti kasen right mukla hajrong imk myongka openku wei chna pen bha pen miat chu yaki sodong sukun ka ainar ka waman ka thawa pendep ya ke beding klam man usnem hachirup iwan sakhi upaj ba wa bon walang na keleng ujem sangma da kularo wo e ar phaulang nei benta uyarap yeithmu kasen right mukla ong haro u kamwa ya ka beding klam das dang ha ka yurim ube ye klam ikjut chitom wa isi wa bonjaj ha ka imlang salang katni dawan ra ka yeman ya teli ka wi ha ka imlang salang weiman le ka bor wa yi upenjem ye ha ka imlang salang kentu haro u ya ki khenro khulut wa sumar wa yada ya kriti dustur ka waman kadak wa itenre iman bro khnang wa kani ka dustur upteng go chaki pateng wawan chua ini wailan miki shalla da pediang buramu ya waro ki wawan sakhi ya gani gabe deng klam kam tam ya ukongsan de hero ki kentien kerkhu kerdo ya gani gabe deng klam wan ra ko ikerkhu hakiliang waro na do icha ikhia ikamai ka ji wa kiwi hakani kasni penkut ya gabe deng klam hapo kas imainar ki khon kasin right mukla hadailang ichat kemen ikrieu wa kisur ka bom ka buhuri da penpoi ki ya kirot kirong hapo ainar dailang ki khubor chak imlang salang
over 4 days and 3 nights, locally known as Zosli layout. Each day
grateful. I think the public this is the first time since we elected as the member of the Parliament in Raja Sabha from the Raja as the festival of this
school, locally called Kapir. It is also the religious but locally called Wong that we bring from Tingdao in Mukla, Washington. On this ground, the shaping or structuring action and initiative according to the principle established by our ancestors.
Wonderful festival. First of all, I'd like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you, especially the villagers of Mukla and the neighboring areas on the festival of Vedantha. I am indeed very, very honored and I feel so happy to be here. Mawailar was mentioning about the doubts they had about getting a guest for this program. But let me tell you that I would have, in any case, would have come here to witness this auspicious and cultural event, even without an invitation, Mawailar. So I'm indeed very thankful to you and to the Senrai Mukla for this honor of being here for this program, to be witnessing this wonderful cultural and auspicious event. I would like to congratulate the Senrai Mukla who have been organizing the Vedantha Festival for the past 75 years. And this is from 1950, if I'm not wrong. And this is really a testimony to the kind of strong leadership that has been there in the Senrai. And all the former leaders who have made sure that our tradition and our culture stays alive. And it doesn't just stay alive, but becomes more and more and more vibrant. I'm really happy to see the kind of infrastructure that has been developed in order to promote this event so that more and more people can participate in it. And to come to the memorandum which has been submitted today by the office of the Senrai, I would like to very, very happily say this, that I, having been elected as a representative to the upper house from the state of Meghalaya, it is indeed a great privilege for me to be given this memorandum, and I assure the members of the Senrai Mukla, our Honorable Minister, who is also the local message is very simple, that as a community, when we all come together and we all unitedly stand against these kind of social evils, then we will overcome. And congratulations to the Sebright once again for this wonderful, wonderful festival and for having successfully organized it for the past 75 years. I wish them all the very best from the bottom of my heart. Success in the many, many, many years to come. This is only 75 years, but there's a long, long way to go. And to the youth of our region, that this kind of culture must be preserved. This is our identity.